Welcome to our channel. Are you planning a move in Fort Worth, Texas? Let's dive into why 3 Movers is the top choice for residents in Fort Worth. Fort Worth is a city full of charm, from the historic Fort Worth stockyards to the beautiful Kimball Art Museum. But when it comes to moving, it's important to choose a professional local moving company that understands the area. At 3 Movers, we specialize in both local and long-distance moves, offering comprehensive services that meet your needs while staying within budget. One of the advantages of choosing 3 Movers is our deep knowledge of Fort Worth's neighborhoods. We understand the challenges of navigating from the stockyards to TCU or around the vibrant downtown area. Our movers are familiar with local streets, helping to ensure a smooth, efficient move with minimal delays. Wondering how much a move costs in Fort Worth? On average, local moves within Fort Worth cost. Of course, these prices can vary depending on the size of your move and the services you require. For long-distance moves like Fort Worth to Dallas or Arlington, you can expect costs ranging from $600 to $900, depending on the distance. Ready to get started? Contact 3 Movers today for a free, no-obligation quote. Our team will walk you through every step of the process and ensure you get the best deal.